Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Imani, and if you don't already know that, I don't know why you don't know that. You should know that. And yeah, we finna jump right into the video today. I'm gonna be putting on Sally Sooo this wig today. She is so cute. Look at her. Okay, she a little long, but she cute. Okay, she's giving what it's supposed to be had gave. I'm finna just put this unit in my head today. It is a lace front wig, you know what I'm saying? And yeah, I'm gonna actually leave this hair in the description because baby, this wig was hella affordable and it's cute. Like, and it comes with the baby hairs. Like, don't play with her, she not one of them. Okay, so let's just jump right into it. Gonna put this bathroom on and I'm just gonna let y'all watch me do it like I do my other videos. And yeah, let's get into it.
If we talking about anything, girl, let's talk about us. All the ways I wanna fall in love, all the ways I wanna build your trust. Yeah. You standing here with me, can't be loved. Come inside, I wanna feel your touch. Elevate, I'm gonna lift you up. Sunset, palm trees on top of a hill, no stress. When I hold you in, I'm the one you chose. Overcast, shower you with roses. Keep me in the corners of your mind. We can stop forever here tonight. Baby, it's you and me, it's only you I see. Yeah. If we talking about anything, girl, let's talk about us. All the ways I wanna fall in love, all the ways I wanna build your trust. Yeah. You standing here with me, can't be loved. Come inside, I wanna feel your touch. Elevate, I'm gonna lift you up.
I'm a man and you're boys. Nothing but cowboys, just like the word says. I'm a man and you're boys. Nothing but cowboys, just like the word says. I'm a man and you're boys. Nothing but cowboys, just like the word says. I'm a man and you're boys. Nothing but cowboys, just like the word says.
Hey y'all, so this is the finished look. I love this wig, honey. It is giving, okay? It is giving what it's supposed to have gave. All right, and I'm just like feeling it. It's like, okay, I'll show you the back. It's like just giving what it's supposed to have gave. My computer died, that's why y'all can't really see me finish it, but yeah, this is the finished look. Baby, these curls are popping. Okay, just get into it. Get into it, y'all. Get into it, y'all. But yeah, I'm about to go to this appointment that I have. I should take y'all along with me, but this is supposed to be strictly a hair video. I'm always taking you somewhere with me. Oh my god, y'all, it's a spider in here. I really want to kill it. Look at it. Hold up. I know y'all see it. Oh my god, who is killing that? We're gonna have to coexist because I'm not doing that. Okay, who is doing that? I'm not doing that. I'm killing that. Crazy, I'm not killing that. But yeah, I'm gonna go somewhere. This is like zoomed. I'm gonna zoom out. Sorry. I'm gonna go to this appointment. I want to go to Starbucks, so I might take y'all with me, but I won't be able to take y'all into the appointment with me. But we can go if you wanna go. We can go. I'm sorry, this wig is just so cute. All right, I might take y'all with me. So I might see you in the next clip. I might not. I don't know. We gonna see. We gonna see. We gonna see.
Yeah, I can't be like y'all be. I'm a savage, yeah. Classy, bougie, rap.